Breaking overnight, a pedestrian is killed in a collision with a train. It happened early this morning in an area where we've seen this sort of news happen before. KAKE's Lily Wu joins us live with what we know right now. Good morning, Lily.
Well, Gloria, it's raining, lightning, and thundering here, but traffic is moving right along. The train that did stop along these tracks after the incident has since moved along. Now, that happened near 2100 block of Southeast Boulevard. Around 2 p.m., some witnesses saw a man trying to cross the tracks, but unfortunately was unsuccessful doing so. Now, witnesses did also say that they did hear the horns going off from that train conductor, and unfortunately, that individual did not heed the warnings. Now, police say that the individual was struck by that train and was found on the other side of the tracks near here. And unfortunately, that person was in his 20s, a male, but we do not have the identity of that individual. They are trying to contact next of kin. And based on witnesses, again, the man tried crossing the tracks but was not successful. So police want to remind you that when there are trains, do not try to beat it, whether with a car or by walking across it. You will not be successful. And the train did try stopping, but again, was too late. And the train also does slow down within city limits and did so. But again, that was not what happened here. It became an unfortunate incident. Reporting live near Southeast Wichita, Lily Wu, KAKE News.
Thank you, Lily. Now, we were the first to alert you to this crash on social media. Be the first to learn about breaking news. Head over to our web channel, KAKE.com. You can also get updates on the KAKE TV Facebook page or on Twitter.